You get a nice day. You get a nice day, and the sun just beams on it. Come on, Bill.
Literally have to
Don't like
walk
wrench it in there.
on like this.
That's
And if you
essentially
fall to the right, you will fall in front of you.
You ever see like those concrete like cattle dividers, like on the highway? Like so like basically there's like earth that just bumps up to those. Come on, Bill. And you gotta like walk on that for probably about a good quarter mile, half a mile. And if you fall into Route 80, the shoulders maybe 3 feet minimum.
You will bounce in front of you.
Yeah, I always wait for the tractor trailers to pass before I. Come on, man.
Got it.
So
Yeah.
now you want to, Garrett. Now you want to start trending left. There's like
man,
a
come on,
walkway
breathe.
around knee level.
Come on.
See where your knees are? There's like a kind of path. to the
Yeah,
left.
man.
This is how to do it too. We got wires.
Turn it up,
They match out.
Yeah.
This is not it's caught.
Nice, Garrett.
What grade is this?
Huh?
What grade is this?
10 goods.
Go somewhere, replace that big one.
Juggy, but overhung.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah.
Overhang is never friendly to women.
There you go. Watching this, Pete.
Nice. Ah.
Oh.